Design matters here, and the reason why it matters a lot is that we talk about business value from data a lot. And I think the gate here is that in order for a technology output, a model, a solution, a dashboard, application, whatever it is, in order for that to have a chance of producing value, we have to go through the adoption piece first. We have to get people to even be willing to try to use the solution. Literally, the people who are at the front line of your solution, if they aren't even willing to touch it, then there's no chance of it producing value. So start aiming your arrow more at what are the tasks and use cases and the jobs to be done, or whatever framework you want to use. What are the end users actually trying to do? And are we helping or hurting with that? And if you can get the usage piece right, the chances of you getting the value, the business value, will come. It will come if we've aimed our arrows right. But that first hurdle is adoption. And this is where design provides a lot of frameworks to create more innovative solutions that are centered around humans and the way they work with technology. So what does it mean to, what does a good data product strategy look like? So I tend to think of data products as a software solution or system that either directly supports decision-making in a dynamic environment, or indirectly. You can call it, there's different definitions of this, but some of the common traits that I see are, number one, they're always trying to inspire some type of action or inaction. And inaction can also mean I made a deliberate choice not to change something, which is different than I didn't even look at it and I made no changes because I don't even pay attention to it. They're very different. They consider the time and the user's context. We talked about understanding, how do I fit my solution into the world of the people who are going to use it, as opposed to trying to impose something new on them. They are low tool time, low training, low tooling effort, low expectations of understanding statistics or advanced mathematics, et cetera. They are designed to make the customer feel empowered, that I have this ammunition on me. It's like I've got extra aid that I don't normally have. It's almost like extra wisdom, extra knowledge that takes me along. It's not there to replace me. It's there to help me perform my work better. So there's this sense of empowerment that comes with it. With AI, it's important to be thinking about ensuring that the human is always ultimately in control here, that we're balancing black box with evidence. So, and we're going to get into the whole discussion of model accuracy versus adoption in a little bit. But I think the core points here are that none of my points here are really about the technical quality of the solution. And there are definitely times where there are very, very important technical aspects to get right. But in isolation, those things do not matter if they are not tied back to the people who are going to use it. Who is it for? What is the change we are trying to make? Those often get left out. And if we get that stuff right, the technology stuff, we probably already do a great job with. Most of the teams I know, they already have the right tech talent. They might need more muscle to come in and to take on more projects, but they have the technical skills. That's not where the challenge is.